Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable shake to turn on flashlight in Vivo T1 5G smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open settings. Then you can find the option called shortcuts and accessibility. You need to click that. Then you need to open smart motion. This is the smart motion option. You need to click that. Now you can find the option shake to turn on the flashlight. You need to enable that. Now you can exit to home. So in the home screen or the lock screen, when the display is on, you need to shake. It will enable the torchlight. So in the lock screen also it will working. So this option is very useful in night times. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.